If you have ever thought of what to do with leftover stew, especially when it is still in great condition, but you just want it to be aromatic, enticing, and bursting with flavor, then trust me, this recipe is for you. All you need to do is to trust this process for a perfectly delicious outcome. Start by heating up a quarter cup of palm oil, then add sliced onions. Mix the onions well with the palm oil, allow to fry for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 1 tablespoon iru. This is also known as locust beans. Mix the locust beans very well, turn the heat down and allow to fry on low heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the entire kitchen must be fragrant by now. So, mix very well again and add a quarter cup of tomato paste. Mix the tomato paste well and allow it to combine. It must combine well with the palm oil, iru, and onions. This is a very straightforward recipe with simple ingredients, and you will surely love the outcome. Allow the tomato paste to fry for 6 minutes on medium heat. After this, add frozen leftover stew. Remember, this is a leftover stew recipe and it is so easy to make. Put the leftover stew into the pot, turn the heat down, cover the pot and allow the stew to dissolve completely. As soon as it has properly dissolved in the mix, now it's time for more ingredients. And the first one is water. Add about 1.5 cup of water because the stew needs to be diluted. At this point, it is too thick. It needs to be diluted. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon ginger powder. Stir well to ensure that all the ingredients combine appropriately. Also add 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. After stirring appropriately to ensure that everything is well combined, allow to cook for 4 minutes. But before then, add a little bit more water if there is a need to, depending on the texture that is most preferred. Also, add any meat, beef, chicken, or any protein of choice. Here is fried fish. Add any protein of choice that has already been cooked. Mix well. Cover the pot after you have seasoned with 1 stock cube. Cover the pot and allow to cook or fry for 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. Like I said earlier, this is a simple leftover stew recipe that would always come out delicious, lovely, and tasty. After 20 minutes of cooking, here is what the leftover stew looks like. The entire kitchen is bursting with flavor and it is so delicious, so flavorful and very nice. This can be enjoyed with rice, beans, spaghetti, yam, even bread. Thank you for watching. Make sure you follow me for more recipes and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.